Hey everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to schedule an automatic shutdown in Windows 10. So, let's get started. First, go to your Start menu and search for Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler from the results. Once you are in, click on the Create Basic Task option in the Actions tab, which will open the Create Basic Task wizard. Name the task as you prefer, for example, Shutdown. You can add a description if you like. Hit Next and choose the One-Time option. Hit Next again, and this is where you set the time and date for the task to execute. Pick a time and date for the shutdown and hit Next once more. And then again click Next. Now, in the Program Script box, type in Shutdown. In the Add Arguments box, add the following command. /s space and /f space and /t and space and 0. Hit Next one last time and click Finish. Now we have successfully created a task that will automatically shut down your computer at the specified time. That's it, guys. That's how you schedule an automatic shutdown on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.